Welcome to world's most advanced and fastest private jet Gulfstream G650. Cabin configured standard features, including digital audio and high-definition video equipment, 26-inch widescreen televisions, convection oven, porcelain dinnerware, flatware, and stemware with fitted storage, combine to outfit the G650ER with everything needed for flawless entertaining. A Gulfstream G650ER cabin provides the ultimate blend of form and function. Wide seats and generous aisle spaces are benefits of the G650ER, and the sense of spaciousness is further enhanced by 16 Gulfstream panoramic windows. With a 46,992 kg maximum takeoff weight, the Gulfstream G650ER provides the mission flexibility to fly longer routes at higher cruise speeds, or carry heavier payloads on shorter missions. Cruising at near supersonic speed, 0.90 Mach, the G650ER will comfortably carry 8 passengers 6,400 nautical miles.